let's do some interesting things with system of equations, alright? So the first problem says, find the value of two numbers if their sum is 12 and the difference is 4. Okay, so it's saying there's two numbers, right? We don't know what those are. So we'll call one of the numbers x, okay, and we'll call the other one, we'll call it y. So we have two variables, because there's two things we don't know, right? But what we know is that when we add these two numbers together, we get 12, because this is if their sum is 12. So x plus y is equal to 12. So we know that. That's one equation. And it says their differences is 4. So in other words, if we subtract both numbers, we get 4x minus y is equal to 4. Alright, so now that we have two equations, we should be able to solve for both variables. So the general rule of when it comes to variables, if you want to be able to solve for each variable, say for example if you have two variables x and y, you would need two equations to solve both equations. And if you had, say, 3 variables, then you would have to have 3 equations and so forth. Okay. So why don't we use the process of elimination? Because if you notice here we have a plus y and a minus y. So it should be fairly easy. So x plus x is 2x. Y minus y is 0. And then 12 plus 4 is 16. So x, if we divide, we get, I divide both sides by 2, sorry. We get x equals 8. Alright, now solve for y. So you can just take one of these equations and solve for y. Okay, so let's take the bottom one. So we get x minus y is equal to 4. Alright, we know what x is, it's 8. So we get 8 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to, we subtract both sides by 8. Those cancel. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So y is equal to negative divided by negative is positive, so y is equal to 4. So we have 8 and 4. Easy as that.